Welcome to Virtual Board. Today we are diving into the dark pit of despair, aka the types of bugs that even make senior developers cry. From elusive intermittent bugs to time zone terrors, you have seen them, you have hated them. Now let's name and shame them. Let's start the video. Let's start with the most sinister species, intermittent bugs. They pass when you test, but they fail when you deploy your code on production, and when you try to debug them, they disappear. They are shy. They will hide. They will only appear during the demos or in front of your manager or during the client calls. Now you cannot trace intermittent bugs. You cannot explain them, but they will destroy your confidence. Now some tips to fix these intermittent bugs. Add logs, rerun your test cases in a clean environment. And third one, this is optional but highly recommended. Pray that intermittent bugs don't appear. Next, the dreaded works on my machine bug. Your code is perfect on your machine. On anyone else, it crashes like your hopes on a Monday morning. Few tips to avoid works on my machine bugs are use containers, try automating environment setup, and stop saying works on my machine. Seriously. Yes, the time travel bug. Time travel bug are like long distance relationships. Confusing, painful, and you never know what day it is. Time travel bugs breaks reports, reminders, and minds. Some tips to avoid time zone bugs includes store everything in UTC, convert in front end, and never trust client time. The fourth type of bug is called caching bug. Sometimes the bug is not in your code, it's in the browser's memory. So sometimes what happens, you deploy some fix, but you are not able to see the updated version of that fix, or you are not able to see the fix properly in your browser. So in that case, it is the cache or it is the older version that is stored in your browser's cache memory that you have to delete. You have to clear the cache, or you have to clear the browser's memory in order to see the new fix. So these types of bugs which occurs due to some cache or browser memory are called caching bugs, and here are some tips to avoid these types of bugs. You should use cache busting query params. You should implement versioning, disable aggressive caching in dev. So the last type of bug that we are going to discuss today in this video, the classic off by one error. So in these types of bugs, what happens, sometimes you want to display 10 values on the browser, but you are only able to see 9 values. And these types of bugs generally occurs when you do not provide the loop conditions correctly. Like if you want to start from 0th index, you started from the first index and it only goes till 9 elements instead of going or covering 10 elements, and you are only able to see 9 elements on UI now. So to fix these bugs, you should always check these conditional conditions also, okay, conditional statements also. So to avoid these types of bugs, these are some tips, like double check loop boundaries, use length constants, test edge cases always. If any of these bugs have made you cry at 2 a.m., hit that like button, comment with the bug that haunts you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more dev light misery, I mean dev content.